Hello, myself Sunil R Nair, and here basically we are discussing about the topic that is currencies. And in this we are basically discussing about the earthquakes. Earthquake means, in simple definition, what actually earthquake? Actually, how basically the earthquake word name was given. Then one of the person told that earthquake is simple language, basically unstable data. That is earthquakes in simple language, basically. In simple language, that is earthquakes. An earthquake basically can happen from any of the side, basically. Then he told that basically this is earthquake, basically. Buildings are moving left, buildings are moving right, vehicles are falling, swimming pool basically water is coming out, sea water is coming in the road. That is earthquake. Then he told that yes, that is only the earthquake, basically. That is the definition of earthquake, basically. That is the definition of earthquake. So here basically we are discussing about not earthquake, basically, but if within the earthquake, basically that topic ongoing, that is the currency topic. And in currency basically we are discussing what? Tomato planet, that is 3 lakh planet, and potato planet, that is also 3 lakh planet, which is actually created by tomato and potato, created by tomato and potato, basically. So here basically we are discussing actually what actually we are discussing, that when the other earth planet actually got the responsibility of other planets, basically, so that basically earth planet can become asset, so that earth planet basically can become asset, so that the earth planet basically can become asset. So like this he told that basically earth planet can become asset, basically. That's why some earth planet group basically created the tomato planet and potato planet, which data was supplied by the satellites group. Then it was like exactly, basically this basically got the requirement, and on the base of requirement basically they created the tomato and potato, basically. So he told that basically when the other planets basically will basically move to that side, basically, that time basically the earth planet created tomato planet and but potato planet is going to give the contribution to that area, so that the other planet basically can move safely. If they are not creating this type of environment, basically, then basically the other planet might get in lots of trouble, basically. That's why basically the earth planet actually earth planet basically got the responsibility. Same way basically earth planet is also moving, so other planets is basically not helping to earth planet. Then they basically told this example actually they given the satellite group, basically they given that you are not moving to the particular area where the your earth planet is moving. Then basically he told yes, basically you are correct, basically. In this basically you have your contribution is that 5 crore, but other contribution is also there, na, basically. It's not like that only your contribution is there. Then they told that yes, basically you are correct. So like this basically the earth planet created tomato planet and potato planet is basically going to move, basically going to create basically the environment, basically in that side, basically, so that the other planets basically can move safely. And this basically was tested in Mumbai also, basically, that 2 lakh basically people, basically human basically clone was created, and they were tested, basically. How basically tested, that also basically we have told that basically that earth planet, the other planets are going to move that side, basically. And what are the impact going to happen? For example, this basically energy is going to affect in left side of the each and every planet. This energy is going to affect to the middle of the planet. This energy is going to affect to the some energy of the planets basically which is moving this planet, this energy basically which is going to affect to that that basically the slow basically the each and every planet's basically speed basically is going to affect. So like this basically each and every attribute basically we have collected and we have created this planet basically, this human basically, that is 2 crore, and we are going to pass that all parameters basically, speed data, left side basically going to affect data, this all are data basically we are going to pass, and according to that basically we have created this this all are basically 2 lakh people basically assume that are planets basically. So what are the effect basically going to happen, that actually we are basically seeing. And this tomato and tomato and your potato planet basically data we are passing it from satellites basically, so that basically we can check in earth planet only basically. So like this basically the earth planet basically got the big contract from the universe group basically. Like this basically the universe group told that basically like now basically we will see now we will basically think that basically the next time basically the earth planet is supposed to end or not basically. Next time basically we are going to think basically whether the universe group is basically going to, sorry, the earth planet basically will end or not basically. Next time basically the earth planet is going to end or not basically, that basically we are going to think that we are going to do the setting next time basically. So basically you have basically converted your earth planet into the asset basically. You have converted your earth planet through the asset basically. Sorry, earth planet has been converted now to the asset of the universe basically. Like this basically the words basically was that basically. Like this basically he told that basically okay. So the earth planet basically has converted into the asset basically. Earth planet has converted into the asset now. So earth planet basically has converted into asset. So like this basically the NASA and ISRO basically celebrated the movement basically, and like this basically this everything is already done basically. I'm just explaining basically how basically the everything basically has created, and this everything is basically done now basically. It's not like that basically NASA and ISRO groups have not done this basically. They have created the earth planet as a asset basically. And this basically have done on the base of achievement, that is Tamil language and Sanskrit language, and rest of language basically is created on the base of these 2 languages, Tamil and Sanskrit. And Sanskrit language basically is in Karnataka, that is in Bangalore city basically, in front of the world basically. It's like that. So whatever the things basically are in front of the world, that all are false. That all basically are false. The things basically which are displayed in front of the world basically, that all basically statements are false. That also you can say basically. So in front of the world basically, that Sanskrit basically is not basically root language basically is not in the Karnataka, Bangalore basically. It's in a different state. It might be in different state basically. But Karnataka is not there. That is 100%. That is in front of the world basically. So that in future basically anything happens basically big, so the Bangalore and Karnataka is going to affect. That's the main basically the language planet the language state basically city will be safe basically. So that is basically different topic basically, that also we will discuss basically in one of the basically topic basically. There are lots of topic basically here basically. So in one of the topic basically we are going to discuss that also basically. In one other topic basically we are going to discuss. So in next video basically we are going to see little bit more about how basically the earth planet basically can convert himself to the asset in front of the universe. In next video basically we are going to see that.